Hi, it's your boy. When my friend was in Japan, he got me this dog face. Look. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. All the shisters and all the wigs are quaking. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, hello. Darkness, my old friend. It's kind of what I thought to myself, like halfway through this video. So the other day I was browsing the internet, as one does, and I came across that $1,300 Balenciaga shirt abomination. And the thing is, I didn't even flinch at that. The internet is so weird nowadays that I was like, that's normal. But then after like 2 seconds, I turned my head and turned my wig around and I was like, what is this? What the hell is high fashion? So I was curious to find out why clothing from high fashion brands are so goddamn weird. Me when bae doesn't eat meat. Me when bae likes some thick. Me when bae likes squares. So I did a little bit of research, and from all the articles that I read, it seems like these brands aren't making clothes for the everyday person to wear, which is kinda obvious. It's more about publicity and creating buzz around the brand, which draws in potential business and money and wig. You know, there's really no such thing as bad publicity. Like, am I gonna give Miss Balenciaga free promo today? Probably. Okay, so basically what I'm doing today is that I'm gonna see what wearing $1,300 feels like in public. That sentence seemed fake. So how much was this again? $1,300? A measly $1,300? So let me just pull out my credit card. Just kidding. It's spaghetti. Me to myself, don't you ever pretend like you have money ever again. You don't have that shishter income yet. So obviously, I'm not gonna buy this because one look at me and you know I don't have money. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pull out some poor people DIY skills and just DIY this shirt because this shirt it looks like it was DIY'd. Yeah, that's basically it. Remember like a month ago when my channel was like a how-to channel on like hair care and skincare? What? Anyway, so my friend Na Young is actually gonna come over and help me do this because I haven't sewed anything since I was like a fetus. So I need help. I need an adult. Hello. Just kidding. Welcome to my room. Okay, so we're gonna pick out the clothes that we're gonna use for the t-shirt shirt. I have a bunch of stuff here that I kind of picked out, so we'll try and figure out what looks the best. Yes. Okay. So first, I was trying to find clothes that were like similar to the t-shirt, like the Balenciaga shirt, but then I didn't really have anything like that. So I think we'll just make our own pattern. What do you think? Like if we sew like a shirt, I don't think it'll be ruined. Like we can always take it off, right?
True.
Yeah.
Wait, is that Giorgio Armani? Oh my god, are you gonna cover Giorgio Armani?
I don't know. Oh god. The shade. I don't even know if this is a real shirt. I've always had this, and I feel like my dad just gave it to me. I don't even know if this is real. It might be like the Sadesi ho. Shado.
Sadesi ho.
Like this shirt's like ruined, but then it's like I don't know if it's big enough.
Ooh, fashion, high fashion.
Ooh. I feel like this could be a good option for like the
for layering.
Part. Yeah.
Ooh.
Because I feel like
casual.
It's kind of something that Balenciaga would sell for like $1,200.
Calvin Klein.
Oh my god! Is she gonna focus? Oh, there we go.
Oh, who's gonna get destroyed?
Ooh.
The lip sync for their life. I actually bought 2 of these. I bought, what sizes? This is extra large. I bought a medium first, and then it was too small, so then I went and bought the extra large. I just have the medium, so maybe I'll grab the medium.
Superstar, come through.
I love Joe Fresh. They actually have nice clothes.
It's good quality. Hey, same with George. Is that Walmart?
George? I love George. I love George.
But then this one could be a good one too. But it might be too big.
Is this Balenciaga aesthetic? Oh, she
It
cute.
just looks bad. I don't know.
We'll sell it for 1,200 instead of 13. I feel like this one might be less like heavy though. This is like pretty thick. She thick. She out here.
It's really thick. Is it hot outside?
It's like 26 or 27.
Holy shit. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Actually, it's okay.
You'll die looking expensive.
Ooh, for the views.
Ooh. Maybe we can try both.
Yeah, we could try both and then...
Sew one, I'll sew one.
Oh, yeah, we could do that. When you don't know what to wear. Just wear everything.
Wait, did you see Kim Kardashian, like, when she got that award? That influencer award? And she's like, I'm honored to win this because I usually am naked all the time. Even though, like, for her fashion, I was like, whoa.
When you're naked all the time. Oh, Nayoung made that. Sewing legend. That's why she's gonna help me sew. The whole outside of the building smells like old lady perfume.
Oh, I know.
Okay, let's I'm just gonna move the table so it's like closer to the window. Yeah, I brought snacks, some setting spray. So we have all our sewing equipment. Yeah, so we're gonna do this combination and then the Giorgio and the thicker shirt.
Fall collection. Where's your thimble? Safety first.
How does this work?
Sweaty finger.
So she actually just told me that she hasn't sewed in a really long time.
I don't even know. How did they start it? Okay, if it looks ratchet, like, it's okay.
I already accepted the fact that it's gonna be ratchet.
Okay, don't make. Do you want like actual stitches in there? Like 5 of them? You know, like it's like.
Whatever's
I
fastest.
forget how to do this. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
It's gonna fall off halfway.
People come through. Wait.
Table come through. Do you need a hammer?
Wait, wait. I forget
I
there's
also
like
need a
pattern.
snack.
Okay, wait.
Oh wait, here. There's a closer picture.
You know what I realized? I should have actually started from inside. Oh no, we already messed up and we just did one.
We have another
We
shirt.
can cut it, it's okay. We can start over.
Oh my god, who's this for? Wait, sorry.
Oh wait, let me flip them one.
You can't even cut it. Oh.
I'm sweating. Oh my god.
It's only for like 20 minutes.
Oh my god.
Do you need some setting spray?
Hit me.
Did I even get you? And it's just gonna be flopping around anyway. It's really windy outside. Dude. I feel like it's gonna look like I'm carrying someone in front of me.
Oh. In a factory in China somewhere.
It's coming together.
This is actually not bad.
Ooh, the orange. Like blotch.
I'm tired. I'm sweating. Oh my god. But like, it's not even hard. Like, why are we actually sweating this much? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm tired.
I'm tired. I'm scared. And it's actually pretty sturdy. Like it's not coming apart.
15 and 16-year-old sewing.
Ooh, wow.
Ooh.
Come through.
We love a sewing legend.
A sewing legend. Oh my god, I'm done. Ah! Okay, so I just have to cut it now. And then I'm gonna dry it on. It just looks like a big pile of clothes. Okay, I'll show you guys the finished result in a little bit because I'm gonna finish the other shirt first. But I don't know how people wear this comfortably. It literally feels like I'm carrying someone in front of me or like someone is trying to kill me, but also kill me. Hello. Just kidding.
Oh.
Follow me. There's nothing in here.
Oh.
Oh. Hello. Follow me.
I was gonna go to the bathroom with you. Hello. Ooh.
So far, it doesn't feel that weird. It just feels like I'm a clothes hanger. I haven't been getting a lot of looks like I would expect.
Can hold hands. There we go. Hello.
Should I run?
Bye, food court. Sleeves be flapping. So, how do you feel right now, Edwin?
I don't know.
Hello. Ooh.
This doesn't feel like $1,300.
Your bag is...
Oh my god, she's like... she's on the phone, but I was like, she's calling security on us. Me. Oh god. Oh my god. Have you seen that one video of that little kid and there's like a naked mannequin and he was like behind the mannequin and in the butt and he was like oh no. I got a reaction. There's people behind there. This. Honestly though, it doesn't look even that like out of place.
Hi.
I think we're just looking around for now. Yeah, thank you.
Hello. Do you like how you look in this? I would know him.
Yeah. Do these smell?
Oh.
Oh.
Sweet.
Yes.
Okay,
It smells like chocolate. Does it smell like bread? Oh,
it
hello.
smells like chocolatey bread.
Oh, yes. That's me. I hate Minion. Didn't Ariana Grande wear this on Jimmy Fallon? No, there's that thing on Jimmy Fallon. She wore something like this, and it looked like she was wearing a skirt as a dress. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's actually really high.
Oh my god! The shirt's giving you power, Edwin! Wow! Iconic.
I'm tired.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
I'm going home now. I wonder if any of the people that saw me wearing this shirt, I wonder if they got that reference where it's like, oh, it's that $1,300 shirt. Let's rob him. It really wasn't bad wearing it. Hello. I'm sitting on my ground today, even though there's a chair right there.
Why I dumb?
Anyway, so it's been a couple days since I wore that t-shirt DIY thing that I made, and did I learn anything? I guess basically fashion is weird. If people have a lot of money, they'll buy the weirdest stuff. But honestly, same. I mean, I would. My arm is getting so tired. What is it like to have money not limit your decision making? I would probably adopt 10 dogs and buy them all their own mansion because I would love them so much, and then they would die. Don't call PETA on me, please. It honestly wasn't the worst thing to wear. I mean, there are a lot of other things that I could have worn that would have been more embarrassing and more scary probably. It was actually really handy because the front shirt had a pocket, which is great news for someone who's hungry all the time because I could put snacks in there. That's not cheating. That's life hacks.
I never cheated.
And the front shirt also felt like a comfort blanket. I'm the type of person who likes to wear like 20 layers because I like to hide in a big pile of clothes when I go outside, so that was really nice. And not a lot of people gave me weird looks. I think they just thought I was normal. I think they just thought I was a clothes hanger, to be honest. I mean, I didn't go anywhere with a bunch of people. That might be a bit too much for me, but yeah, it honestly wasn't the worst. Yeah, that's what I did with my week. I hope yours was just as productive as mine. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to stick around. If not, until next time. Until I pop into your recommended again. I'll see you there. Well, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!